Welcome to the Miniature House Construction Project. Here, we'll see how a beautiful two-story house is built from scratch with incredible detail. From setting up the steel foundation, pouring the cement, to laying brick by brick with precision. Every part is crafted with great care, including making the concrete stairs and installing the roof. Once the main structure is done, the walls are coated with white cement for a smooth finish and then painted a clean white. The final touches of bright blue window frames and doors, along with a balcony fence and a mini swimming pool in the front yard, make this house look so lively and charming.